love looking for toys, but it is very challenging because there's a lot of variety and sometimes they just don't last that long.
Most parents today have limited space and limited dollars, so when it comes to toys and gifts, parents want to add items to their children's play areas that are fun, engaging, long-lasting, and durable, but also provide a purpose.
We test all of the toys that are designed and developed at Fisher-Price.
Fisher-Price's Play Lab takes the guesswork out of choosing the perfect playroom items for kids, testing over 1,200 toys per year, so families like the Druseys can find the right fit for their home and their budget.
We really try to make sure that they're perfect for the little hands that they end up in.
When you have the right toy with the right environment, you can create experiences with each other. And I have 3 boys and a girl.
So as a mom to 4 children, Mari Drusey was looking for tips to upgrade her playroom with a purpose. Fisher-Price came in with the perfect toys and the perfect tip.
It's easy to forget sometimes when you're thinking about milestones or academics, letters and numbers, how very, very important creativity and imagination are. Every kid has a wild and wonderful imagination inside, and bringing that out is so much fun.
One great toy to spark creativity and imagination is the Wayne Manor Bat Cave from Imaginext.
The Bat Cave was such a hit. Their imagination was on. It was a switch on. From the 4-year-old up to the 9-year-old. I mean, it's incredible how they, as soon as they saw it, they were able to figure out which area of this Bat Cave was for them. One of them was focused on the launcher. The other one was focused on the jail area. The other one was focused on the top portion where you can actually stand the superheroes and they can watch everyone, you know, all the bad guys come by. It was just amazing for me as a mom to see that your child is really involved and really into this kid world, which it's not easy to find anymore. And you know, I want them to be kids for a very long time. And the longer they can use toys that give them this experience, the happier I think every mom will be, and I was very happy seeing that.
For more information, visit fisherprice.com or our website, designingspaces.tv.